Hi guys, I just bought this new wireless earphones from Mpow, the S11s. Going by the specifications, uh, it was a no-brainer basically. It cost me around £20 over here in the UK. So as you can see, it sports Bluetooth earbuds, Mpow audio wireless, and probably this is one of the latest models. It supports HD aptX. So I don't know what that technical jargon is, but it seems that if it contains aptX, it probably the sound quality in terms of transmission via Bluetooth is very good, and this supports Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, so you can read the specification over here. The music or the talk time is around 9 hours, standby time is 250 hours. It's got an 8mm driver, and microphone is MEMS microphone. Charging time is 2 hours. Operation range is 33 feet, and as I mentioned earlier, it supports Bluetooth version 5.0. So that's a good thing at this price point. Let me go ahead and open this now. Okay, so it came along with this nice case. It's a sturdy case. Let me open the case as well to unwrap or unravel the headphones. So here are the headphones themselves. Okay, I'll just remove them, and these are magnetic as well. Though I'd noticed that these are quite huge, as in the cans are quite huge, and they tend to protrude from your ears. As long as they sound good, I don't really care about that. I'll keep them aside for a moment. Let's see what else is packed in this. And this, by the way, is nice. It's sturdy. It will definitely protect any headphones that you manage to cram in this. And it's got, as is mentioned in the outer packaging, it's got quite different range of earplugs to suit any ear sizes, and this stuff I believe is to manage or to hold on to your ears, depending again the size of your ears. So yeah, they've managed to bundle quite a lot of stuff, though the quality of this is not that great, but you can't expect anything better at this price point. They've provided us with a micro USB-C cable as well, a charging cable, and this is a clip for obvious reason, and this is I believe this is to manage the cable in the back so that it is not dangling around. Let's see what else is in the box. Explore, dream, expire. So some stuff. I guess these can contact if in case anything is wrong. So they provided 24-month after sales service guarantee. So that's nice. Let's see what else is. And some literature as well to be able to pair it with your, as to how it needs to be paired with your phone. And they provided an important reminder to be charged only by 5 volt adapters. USB ports only. Quick charging devices over 5 volt may cause heat and fire, so you need to be careful about it. Now let's go to the real deal. Okay, let's keep this stuff aside, and yeah, let's first the wire. Yeah, the wire feels to be, as in the cable seems to be quite sturdy, and they've got the Mpow logo, and this is in black color. It definitely they've got multiple color options I believe, but I bought the black color, and this is the charging port wherein the USB cable, micro USB cable would go in, and we've got volume controls over here, and this is a multi-function switch as well. So I believe this functionality of this module would be the same irrespective. There might be some subtle changes here and there, but it would be the same all across different brands. And I'll have to see as to how these perform, because from the price perspective, considering that these are these support 5.0 Bluetooth and aptX as well, so I believe from the price perspective these are very good. I'll go ahead and maybe use it for a couple of hours, or maybe 10 hours for the drivers to burn in, and let's see how they perform. Maybe I'll do a quick video after using it for maybe a couple of days or maybe a week or so. That's it for now, guys. For the price, again, I believe this is a nice thing, as in these pair of headphones are worth the price. That's it for now, guys. Please consider subscribing if you do like the video. Hit the like button. If not, go for the dislike button. That's it for now. Goodbye.